Hello everyone. In this video, we will explore a task list thunk. In this thunk, you will see how your AI can use several tools that it has access to in order to help you with ad hoc work that achieves some purpose. This is my work to-do list thunk, and here I have 3 tasks that I want my AI to help me with. Some of it is done while others are active. But first, let's orient ourselves to this thunk. A thunk, as you already know, is a project. Every thunk begins with a goal, in this case, to manage my work to-do list. The very first thing that your AI does is to plan how we will execute any project. It does so by automatically coming up with a rough plan, the data that we will maintain for this plan, and the finer details of how every task will be executed. Since this is a to-do list thunk, the plan is pretty straightforward. My AI recommends that we first record tasks to do, and then for every task, it'll help me do it. While all of this was generated by our AI, it is always editable by you. A plan like this is a thunk's blueprint. Once planning completes, my AI begins execution of this project. During execution, your AI automatically creates tasks for each step of the project. This flow tab is a great place to check the status of the project. What work has been assigned to who, what is the status of this work, and what are the details of this work. If you're working with a team of people, you can add them to your thunk via the team page. People added to your thunk may get work assigned to them. Now let's look at the data pane, where we have 3 work tasks. You can explore every data item here by clicking on it and seeing what work my AI has done. The tasks pane is where you will see a list of project tasks assigned to you. Tasks are created on individual data items as your AI progresses through the plan. For example, here, my AI is helping me with finding a good offsite venue and is currently waiting on me for something. And last but not the least, we have an inbox in a thunk. In thunk.ai, you have the ability to forward emails to your thunk. When you forward emails, your AI routes them to the appropriate data and reacts to it. Let's take a peek at some data and see how my AI helped me on the tasks. In this first task, I wanted my AI to help me find free website design software. We were building a website for thunk.ai a few weeks ago. Let's see what my AI did. My AI first used web search tools and came back with a list of options, about 11 of them. I went through these options and narrowed them down to 3 and had my AI go do some further research on them. As you can see, my AI read a few other sites and was able to come back with a decent evaluation of the 3 for this specific task of building a website. However, in addition to asking my AI, I had also asked my colleagues, and one of them sent me this link that had a good summary of 2 of the 3 tools. I forwarded this email to this thunk. My AI read it and understood the contents of the email to be related to the task that we were working on. It routed this email to the step, read the URL, and summarized the information back into my data. What's more, my AI also helped me generate a document summarizing all of this work so that I could share it with my team. Amazing. In this thunk, you'll see other examples where my AI used a different set of tools to help me get something done. For example, in this ongoing task, it helped me find a good offsite venue for my team. Based on this description that I'd given it, it found some great options for me in Seattle, did some detailed research on a couple of places that I was interested in, and even drafted an email to the team. You'll also find another example where my AI is able to read a terms of service document and generate a new one with no grammatical or formatting errors. And just like that, I took 3 things off my to-do list today. Since I own this thunk, you will not be able to add any tasks to it, but you can always go to your samples, as so, and make a copy of this thunk and play with it. Thank you for watching. Let us know what you think.